Okay, now that I've launched something to make Gigas, I have to do something with the Gigas. So what I want the Gigas to do is I want them to walk around and I want them to eat the apples. So first thing we should do is we should make them walk around. So when I start as a clone, let's give them some walking. So let's go ahead and we'll put the walking right here. So we'll put it in a forever loop. And well, first we have to have them turn in a random direction. So we're going to have them turn in a random direction so they're not all going the same way. And we'll have them go anywhere from 1 to 360. So that's going to be a random direction. And then forever, they are going to move 10 steps. But the problem with having them move 10 steps is that I can't change their speed. If I ever want them to be a different speed, oh, and they also get stuck on the walls. So I see that happening too. So let's take a look at that. First thing is I want to create a new variable, which is for everybody. So my new variable is going to be gigaspeed. It's for all sprites, gigaspeed. And I'm going to go ahead and say that the gigaspeed should be set relatively small, or relatively slow. So set gigaspeed to, let's say, 3. And it's going to move gigaspeed steps. So let's go ahead and drag this variable down. And again, using these variables here and putting them at the top allows me to change things so much more easily than having everything be hardwired. As a programmer, you don't want to have your variables hardwired and buried in there. It's much better to have your variables be easy to see, easy to understand, and be able to change them at the top. So we're going to move gigaspeed steps, and then if we're touching the edge, we're going to bounce. So if we touch the edge, if on edge, bounce.